Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a short wheelbase Volkswagen Transporter panel van. It's a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This particular van is a used 21 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. You'll also notice that this van is fitted with a dark grey bumper. It also has two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. To the front of the van, it's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice 16-inch steel wheels with VW centre covers. Moving up, you will notice black mirrors and black door handles. Also, the mirrors on this van are also heated for cold winter mornings. To this side of the van, you will notice a near side sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. Moving the camera around, you will notice to the back of the transporter, it is clean and free from damage. Now to the back of the transporter, you will notice rear barn doors without window. Moving across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. You'll also notice standard rear tail lights. This van is also fitted with a transporter badge and the VW emblem on the rear doors. If you would like to protect the rear load area from damage, you could ask a member of the sales team for a quote on wood ply lining. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Both doors come with these door release catches, and this is the advantage of the catch. This van has been painted in candy white. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides of the steering wheel. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead. You'll also notice that it's fitted with 3 comfortable seats in double grid cloth. You'll also notice that the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. This now ends my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also show you some key features on the media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Down here, you will notice the headlight switch. Moving back to the steering wheel, to this side, you will notice media controls. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This particular van has covered 8 delivery miles. To this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. I'm now going back to the audio section. I'd like to show you that you can change the radio station if needed. Moving to the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. You also find an SD card reader, which is here. You'll also find 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called Mirrorlink. This will allow you to stream your most popular apps on your smartphone. My personal favourites when I use App Connect is Waze and one of my music apps. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice it's fitted with a park distance control for your rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, I'd like to show you the heater controls. This van is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here's a temperature control switch. This fan is also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter panel van. It's a short wheelbase. It's also a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this used approved 21 plate transporter, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.